I can do a quick intro before Patrick goes deep dives into the automation. So PrimeCenter, because it's going to be technical. So PrimeCenter really is agnostic solutions, work with every RIP to solve those pre-press file preparation problems for people that need to prepare files to go to print or to cut. Everybody thinks that you can do everything in the RIP or they do it in the Adobe suite, but it's good to have a software that can help you prepare files that need to go to production. And people kind of underestimate the time that it takes to do that manually. And PrimeCenter is that level of software that can really help there.
Cool. Love the idea. So you could be using another RIP, but still utilize PrimeCenter for your whole front end,
Yes.
in theory. I mean, obviously, we'd like them to.
No. In reality, that's actually the idea. I mean, so it's effectively agnostic, right? It's a PDF or something to PDF, if I can put it in these ways. What always comes out of PrimeCenter is PDF, right? So you can use it to normalize. I mean, we embed in PrimeCenter Calas technology, so state of the art of PDF management, which was a choice, right? Again, in the DNA of Caldera, high quality, stability, etc., is core to us, right? It's a must-have, right? You cannot negotiate with this. You need the best of the best. And effectively, the idea, what we've seen is that, again, it rolls back to the way RIPs have always been in our industry, right? They've evolved, but so did the customers, actually. And we see that there's a trend of users doing less of these operations in the RIP because it's at the very end of the workflow, which is normal, right? Its core goal is to drive a device. And yet you need these features, all these wonderful things that you have in the majority of the RIPs to turn a design into a printable element, including finishing, that is nesting, batching, ganging, marks, and all these things, where it may or may not be the print operator, so it may or may not be the RIP user. So PrimeCenter actually goes to fill this gap, right? It's upstream, absolutely. It's, of course, complementary to RIP, even though there are de facto some overlapping features, but they don't address the same person. Really, it's not the same person in the production. So it works obviously with Caldera, right? So with good integration or better integration, but it works with any software, right? Any RIP. It exports PDF, it embeds technology, it normalizes. Its core feature is obviously to nest, right, or prepare for print and cut. In that same aspect, the way you actually organize your production, right, is not only necessarily about media saving, which is what a RIP may do, right? It's actually media optimization, nesting, etc. Whereas in PrimeCenter, you can do batching, complex aggregation, job subdivisions, which are never going to be a call that you make at the RIP level, right? It's obviously way up the workflow, and that's why PrimeCenter positions there, right? So there are overlapping features, but it's not for the same person, really not, right? Not the same persona, and the feature, despite the fact they overlap, they don't serve the same purpose, right? Really, absolutely.
Yeah, and about 50% of the PrimeCenter customers do not have Caldera RIP.
Yes.
So that's pretty interesting. So it means
that is interesting.
There was a problem out there that this solution tries to solve, saving them time on nesting or file preparation, because it takes time to get a file ready to print. Okay, and the RIP is good at printing it, getting it the colors right. But, the step before that is important too.